Good morning friends. So this is the last video for GATE 2020. Okay. In this question we were asked to find the value of R2 where the input voltage given to the circuit is unregulated but the mean value is 15 volts and the output of the circuit is a regulated voltage which is 9 volts. Okay. And the base currents are 0 and the VBE is plus 0.7 volts. And let us do this question. Because it is given that the output is regulated, we can assume that the zener is in reverse bias breakdown region. Otherwise you can't get the regulated power supply, right? Regulated voltage at the output. Okay. So let me replace this zener with a voltage source of value 3.3 volts. Okay. Let me erase all this stuff. Now what will be the voltage at this point? So it will be 3.3 plus 0.7 because we are going up. So it will be 4 volts. So this one will also be 4 volts. Since the current flowing in this base is 0, this current should be equal to this current, right? But what is this current? It is simply 9 minus 4 by 1k. And what is the current flowing in the R2? It is simply 4 by R2. That implies your R2 will be, if you solve this, you will get your R2 as 800 ohms. That's it with this question. But let us do some more in this question. So what will I do is, I will give the value of R2 already to you, but we should find the value of V0 here. Okay. Now, how to do this? The all other things will be remain same. This will be 3.3 volts. So that this will be 4 volts. The base currents will be 0. This will be 4 volts. And because the current flowing in these terminals will be equal, so V0 minus 4 by 1k is equal to 4 by 800. That simply gives V0 equal to 4000 by 800 plus 4. That is 9 volts. You got the same answer. That's fine. But can you notice something here? So in your calculation of V0, you never encountered the input. So the only encountered value is this zener voltage plus 3.3 volts. So in that way we are able to have the regulated voltage at the output. Okay. Even though your input is unregulated, the output is regulated because of the presence of this zener. This zener acts as a constant voltage source, right? But one more question I would like to ask is, what is the use of this transistor? And what is the use of this transistor? Can't I simply do this? This is my zener diode and connect some unregulated power supply and my V0 will be some value. Okay. So what is the disadvantage using these types of circuits? So we are not at all using any transistor stuff. We are using only zener diodes and resistors. So is there any limitation to this type of circuits, and can you build your own voltage regulated using the transistors and zener diodes? So solving this question is okay, but if you are building your own voltage regulated using the transistors, you will find, so what is the use of this each transistor, this transistor, this transistor and this zener and these voltage sources, and more importantly this connection, what is the use of this connection? So such types of things you will be able to understand. Okay, please try to think about those. So that's it guys, thank you very much.